Hey everybody, I'm PJ with SoCal Pals here at Universal Studios Hollywood on this rainy Tuesday afternoon, trying to get some treats that are sure to warm you up on a day like this. So come and follow me and check it out. It's another rainy day at Universal Studios Hollywood. It's not gonna stop us today though. Alright you guys, you know I had to start out with one of my favorites here at Universal. Rain or shine, this is one of my go-tos, and that's the pork ramen they have at Minions Cafe. This, as far as theme park ramens go, has got to be one of the best. Definitely recommend trying this out. Oh yeah, this will definitely warm you up on a gloomy day like this. This is great. Definitely check this one out. This is really, really, really good. Alright you guys, that ramen was good. I think now it's time for something warm to drink. Here we go, let's check out the Hogs Head Inn. So let me tell you, nothing beats a nice warm butterbeer on a rainy day. Oh my god, it's been so long since I've had one. So good. Normally during the summertime I get the frozen one, but considering today is a rainy day, kind of cold, I think this fits perfectly with my day. Now next up, I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to show you guys something that I did not know Universal had. Hopefully it's still there. Come check it out. So I came down to the lower lot today because there's this treat I wanted to try over at Mummy Eats right next to the Mummy across from Jurassic World. And it's deep fried Three Musketeers and deep fried Milky Ways. However, unfortunately, the gentleman at the window did tell me that they don't have them today. So I asked him, when is it available? Is it just a weekend thing, or he didn't really have an answer for me. So I don't know. I guess if you're down here, try to check it out if they have it. In the meantime, I'm just gonna finish up my butterbeer. Screw it, guys. Let's do some rides. It's like inside a queue line on a rainy day.
No one's better at statues.
The Forbidden Journey.
I hope none of you are seated or in which might.
It's so empty.
Over here!
Where?
All right, say observatory. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Observatory.
Hang on tight! Ron and Harry will meet you outside!
Hermione did it! They're flying! Keep up, Ron! We're on our way! We'll meet you outside! Sorry about that! Those faces can be a bit dodgy. But we haven't lost anyone yet. Not this week, anyway.
Hey, you lot! Come see the dragon, have you?
Right, we're going to the quiz bit. Look out!
And the match is tied. 20 points each for Gryffindor and Slytherin.
Sit! Follow me! Showing off for your muggle admirers, Potter.
Slytherin takes the lead.
Dementors! This way! Hang on! Leave them alone! Get away from them! Expecto Patronum! Stay close and follow me! It's caving in! Watch out! Let's get out, quick! We made it! To the Great Hall! Thanks, everybody! You're brilliant!
You've shown great bravery. Feel free to return to Hogwarts anytime. Now, tuck your elbows in.
So we got another holiday treat. It's not so much to keep you warm, but well, maybe keep you warm in the inside. Here's the spiked holiday eggnog. They have at Tower Treats here by the plaza. Wow, that is strong. All I got was rum, which is not a bad thing, but I'm afraid that if you're a kind of a lightweight, this might put you over. It's really good though. Wow, that really warmed me up like real fast. Another treat we got is the pinwheel cookie. I don't know if you remember from the Grinchmas video we posted. This was one of my favorites. Danny was trying to explain to me what it tastes like, and he said it was some kind of Mexican cookie. And what I couldn't figure out what he meant was in Hispanic culture they have something called pan dulce, and a lot of times when our parents would take us to the panaderia, there were like these big giant sugar cookies with rainbow sprinkles on them. That's what this tastes like. That's exactly what this is. Can't get this thing open. That's exactly it. Good crunch. Very good cookie. Actually, I like it better than the one at the panaderia that they sell the sweetbread. Definitely check this one out. If you're looking to a nice holiday drink, this is probably the best one I've tasted. The hot buttered rum was kind of so-so, but this will definitely do the trick to warm you up. Check this one out. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get headed home. It is too cold and too wet out here, so thanks for clicking on this video, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.